Today, we will delve into the fascinating topic of the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and their potential impact on society. Picture a world where cars drive themselves, robots perform complex surgeries with pinpoint accuracy, and machines can learn and adapt to new information on their own. This is the world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and it's changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. AI is the field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing faces, understanding natural language, and making decisions based on complex data sets. And while AI has been around for decades, recent advancements in technology have taken the field to new heights. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized healthcare, AI is revolutionizing nearly every aspect of our lives. But with these new advancements come new challenges and questions. How will AI impact the job market, and what will the future of work look like? How can we ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly? And what impact will AI have on our privacy and security? These are complex and difficult questions, and there are no easy answers. But one thing is clear: as AI continues to evolve and improve, it will have a profound impact on society. On the one hand, AI has the potential to greatly improve our lives, from making healthcare more personalized and efficient to making transportation safer and more sustainable. It can also help us to better understand the world around us, from predicting natural disasters to analyzing data on climate change. But on the other hand, AI also poses significant risks and challenges. It could lead to widespread job displacement and economic inequality, and it could exacerbate existing social and political divides. It could also lead to the creation of autonomous weapons and other dangerous technologies that could be used to harm others. So as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI, it is essential that we approach this field with caution, responsibility, and a deep commitment to ethical principles. We must work to ensure that AI is used in ways that benefit all members of society, rather than just a privileged few. And as we navigate the exciting and ever-changing world of AI, we must also remember the importance of staying grounded in our shared humanity. We must remember that behind every machine, every algorithm, and every line of code, there are real people with real hopes, dreams, and fears. By staying connected to our shared values and aspirations, we can help to shape a future where AI serves as a force for good, rather than a source of division and harm. The potential of artificial intelligence is truly awe-inspiring. It's hard not to be impressed by the incredible feats of engineering and ingenuity that have made these advancements possible. And yet, as with any new technology, there are also real concerns and questions about the impact that AI will have on our society and our world. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities and power imbalances. As AI becomes more sophisticated and more widely adopted, there is a risk that it will further entrench existing economic, social, and political hierarchies. Those who have access to the most advanced AI technologies may be able to accumulate even greater wealth and power, while those who do not may be left behind. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used in harmful or unethical ways. As AI becomes more autonomous and more capable of making decisions on its own, there is a risk that it could be used to carry out acts of violence or other forms of harm. There is also the risk that AI could be used to perpetuate discriminatory or oppressive practices, such as racial profiling or algorithmic bias. But despite these concerns, there is also reason to be hopeful. The same technologies that give rise to these concerns also offer the potential for profound positive change. AI has the power to transform healthcare, education, and other sectors in ways that could greatly improve our lives. It could help us to address pressing global challenges, such as climate change and pandemics, and it could enable us to build a more just and equitable society. The key to realizing this potential lies in our ability to approach AI with a deep sense of responsibility and humility. We must recognize that AI is not a panacea, and that it cannot solve all of our problems on its own. We must also recognize that the development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles that prioritize the well-being of all members of society. As we continue to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence, we must remain grounded in our shared humanity. We must remember that behind every algorithm, every dataset, and every line of code, there are real people with real hopes and fears. By approaching AI with empathy, compassion, and a deep commitment to our shared values, we can help to ensure that it serves as a force for good in our world.